You understand that? Good. Where's the last place you want?
Well, but you got a glitter in school.
Yes, yes.
Then, work on a fast food restaurant for 3 years.
Yes, yes.
Then, I lose the walk.
Yes.
Right after you got prison.
Who go a prison?
You, sir.
Who go a prison?
You, sir.
You said me go a prison? Are you put me in prison? Eh? You didn't in prison when you said me in prison? Eh? Which part of you said me go a prison?